When does your business need an attorney? Hi, I'm Matthew Van Ryn with today's business tip. There are so many programs and agencies that exist to help you learn the major things you need to know to start your own business. Many of these things you can do for yourself, like picking a business name, choosing a domain for your website, getting a tax ID number, writing a business plan, opening a business bank account, getting workers' comp insurance, or hiring employees. But when it comes to more complicated tasks, like drafting partnership agreements, creating a dependable customer contract, setting up business entities, or applying for government licenses, you're usually better off spending a few dollars to hire an expert to make sure you do it right. Getting an application or an agreement wrong can cost you time and money and get your business off track just as it's getting started. I'm Matt Van Ryn. You can call me at 315-877-1741 for a free consultation.